how to curl the wig. Okay, so let's start with supplies. You're going to need a key protectant, a brush, some hairspray. Along with the hairspray, you're going to need obviously the curling iron and some hair clips. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to turn the curler on. And then while the curler is getting hot, we're going to get rid of the separator. So brush it out. Okay, so just like a bad lighting, but when you brush it out, you're going to pick out the section that you want. And this depends on the size of your curling iron too, how big the section is going to be. So I think I'm going to do this big. Okay, since I'm doing it this big, I'm going to clip this out the way. I lost my hair tie, and I'm actually going to split this in two. And you can come back for part two. It's going to curl. Just split it up like that. Okay, so let's make part two. So I already sprayed the heat protectant on there, and now I'm going to take this hairspray and spray that on here. Not a lot, I don't need a lot. Brush that through. And now I'm going to take your curl iron, put that down, kind of hot, should be hot right now. And then you're going to put it up here and bring it down, but you don't want to pull it all the way down here. And you want to curl it away from your face. So I'm going to curl it down. And then twist the hair over so now just bring it down. So, you just bring it down so you can keep feeding the hair. And my head is moving. Just keep bringing it down and then twisting. Bring it. You have to keep unclipping and clipping too. So you have to loosen it to twist it up. Alright, now this is part 3. So the curler has been sitting up here for a minute now. I have all the hair fed into it, even the ends. So then when it gets to this point, you don't want to unravel it. Sorry, my head is loose. I didn't tighten it. But you're just gonna put your hand under this and just open and close it so it falls in your hand. Like that. Put that back up there. And then just hold it in your hand so it sets like this. If you have pin curls, you can pin curl it. I don't have that. And when you're like this, you can let it calm down. And then you have such a beautiful curl. Now to preserve it, you can put a pin curl, like I said, or you can flex around, and I'll show you how to do that too. Alright, this is the last final part, part 4. So you have your curl. And you see the direction that the curl is falling, it's going that way. So you can straighten it out. I brush mine, so I'm going to just brush it out. And then I'm going to put my flexi rod on the inside, and then I wrap the bottom around the flexi rod, and then I just lift it up. And then I secure it by just bending the flexi rod. So then it looks like that. And you just do that for the rest of your head, all of the rest of the head, and then you're finished. And that's how you curl and preserve.